1, 2, 3, 4. And it starts sometime around midnight, or at least that's when you lose yourself for a minute or two. As you stand under the bar lights, and the band plays some song about forgetting yourself for a while, and the piano's this melancholy soundcheck to her smile, and that white dress she's wearing, you haven't seen her for a while. But you know that she's watching, oh, she's laughing, she's turning, she's holding her tonic like a cross. The room suddenly spinning, she walks up and asks how you are. So you can smell her perfume, you can see her lying naked in your arms. So there's a change in your emotion. All these memories come rushing like feral waves to your mind. And now the curl of your body is like two perfect circles entwined, and you feel hopeless and homeless and lost in the haze of the wine. And she leaves with someone you don't know, but you make sure you saw her. She looks right at you and bolts. As she walks out the door, your blood boiling, your stomach in a roast. And when your plans say what is it, you look like you've seen a ghost. When you walk under the streetlight, and you're too drunk to notice everybody is staring at you, and you so care what you look like, the world is falling around you, and you just have to see her, you just have to see her, and you know she'll break you in.